Hello everyone, I'm Kevin from XY Global, and today I'd like to share a short project story that shows how we support our customers, not just making parts, but solving real problems. Some time ago, one of our key customers was developing a high-end outdoor furniture product. For them, functionality, durability, and appearance were all equally important. At the beginning, the critical component was designed as a solid steel and aluminum part. From a structure point of view, it worked well. But during real use and testing, that part was easily scratched, and in some cases even damaged by the machine. For a premium product, this was clearly unacceptable. After several discussions with the customer, we proposed a new direction, changing the material to ceramic. This also brought a new challenge. The original design was fully solid, and during the ceramics sintering process, the binder could not escape properly. As a result, there was a high risk of deformation and cracking, which is a common challenge in ceramic manufacturing. So instead of the forcing process, we went back to the design stage. The product achieved a clean, high-quality appearance, and the part performed reliably in real use. In the end, the customer was very satisfied and gave us a strong positive feedback. Not just making parts to join, but working closely with our customers to create better products together. If you are working a product where material selection, manufacturing visibility, and product appearance all matter, feel free to connect with us on LinkedIn and visit our company page to learn more. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.